Struggling with team communications? Want to supercharge productivity and morale in just a few minutes each week? Let's dive into some game-changing strategies from Patrick Lencioni's The 5 Dysfunctions of a Team and see how regular check-ins can transform your business. Start with regular meetings, weekly or bi-weekly. These check-ins keep everyone on the same page. They're not just routine updates. They're golden opportunities for your team to connect, discuss progress, and align efforts. Making this habit creates a rhythm that boosts team cohesion and productivity. Encourage open dialogue. Create safe spaces where everyone feels heard and valued. When people are comfortable voicing their opinions, you can catch potential issues early and foster a collaborative environment. This openness slashes misunderstanding and builds rock-solid trust within the team. Keep everyone in the loop on significant developments. Transparency minimizes confusion and keeps the team laser-focused on common goals. Regular check-ins are perfect for sharing updates and ensuring that no one is left in the dark. Address issues promptly. Problems will arise, but handling them quickly can make or break your team's success. Use your regular meetings to tackle problems head-on before they escalate. This proactive approach resolves issues faster and shows your commitment to a healthy, productive work environment. Take, for example, a tech startup that was drowning in communication issues and misunderstandings. By implementing regular check-ins and encouraging open dialogue, they saw a massive improvement. The team became more cohesive, misunderstandings dropped, and productivity soared. This simple strategy transformed their communication dynamics and set them on a path to success. So start today by scheduling regular check-ins with your team. Prompt, open dialogue keeps everyone updated and addresses issues promptly. These steps will revolutionize communication, foster collaboration, and drive your business towards incredible success. So let's make it happen.